Hey, this is Madison with the Sensory Path. Let's install the Surf's Up. Before starting, I made sure to sweep and mop the floor really well. A clean surface helps the image stick properly. First, I'm going to cut everything apart. This is one of my favorite ways to lay out the surfboards, but feel free to adjust them how you like. Next, I'm going to peel away the backing to take my image off. I'm sticking one side of the surfboard down first, then using my squeegee in a smooth wave-like motion to apply the rest. See you next time!